I think a safety summit of this kind is important both for operators and regulators in the sense that there's a lot of complexity and diversity in the aviation operating environment. Summits such as these actually provide a better understanding for both the operator and the regulator because both have to work together. There's a lot of complexity in terms of emerging technologies like remotely piloted aircraft systems. There is no one-size-fits-all for the kind of diversity you have in the aviation environment. Summits such as these help to actually provide an understanding of that kind of diversity, how regulators are handling this kind of diversity in other countries, how operators are managing the complexities with the new technologies, both in terms of cockpit flight technology as well as technology used to improve reliability of the aviation system. So I think summits such as these are great, and they also offer an opportunity to exchange ideas, absorb something new, what's happening in other parts of the world, and it provides a very good international perspective because you have a very broad audience from different countries. Okay, in terms of how we are managing diversity in aircraft activity, we've actually developed a new process called the sector risk profiling process, which I'm going to talk about tomorrow. How the relationship between the regulator and the operator can be more effective, can be more engaging, can be more collaborative. So that's important actually both for the operator and the regulator. The other important thing is the information of the exchange of safety information. I think because aviation environment is so dynamic that what you actually look at in the past is not relevant for the present, and as operators and regulators we have to actually see what's going to happen in the future, so we need to have some predictive capabilities in that. And so when you have this when you have the risk profiling process where the operator and the regulator engages, you can actually develop that predictive capability collectively. There are a couple of issues which are actually dogging the aviation environment. The emergence of remotely piloted aircraft systems. They've taken on in a big way in terms of aerial photography, aerial surveying, and there's now talk of the aerial taxi, which is being promoted by Uber. So I think that's going to be a great challenge actually, both for people who are currently providing air transport services as well as for the regulators in managing this kind of activity, because it's actually going to be low-level flying activity, and we currently don't have rules actually for regulating that kind of activity.